Ready to level up and become a successful person? Well, I've got you covered. Here are my top 5 tips to help you reach the stars. Let's dive right in. Tip 1. Set clear goals. The first step towards success is setting clear goals. Think about what you want to achieve and make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Remember, having a clear direction will keep you motivated and focused on your journey. Tip 2. Develop a growth mindset. Successful people always have a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and believe in your ability to improve. Remember, setbacks are just stepping stones to success. Embrace the power of yet and keep pushing forward. Tip 3. Take consistent action. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's all about consistent action. Break down your goals into small, manageable tasks and work on them every day. Whether it's learning a new skill, networking, or pursuing your passion, taking consistent action will lead you to the path of success. Tip 4. Surround yourself with positive influences. They say, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with people who inspire and uplift you. Seek mentors who can guide you on your journey. Remember, a supportive network can make a huge difference. Tip 5. Practice self-care. Last but not least, take care of yourself. Success is not just about achieving goals. It's also about finding balance and happiness. Prioritize self-care, whether it's through exercise, meditation, hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Remember, a healthy mind and body are essential for long-term success. And there you have it, my friends. 5 tips to help you become a successful person. Remember, success is within your reach. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. Thanks for watching. Like and share if you found these tips helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content.